Fixing Samsung TV YouTube having black screen is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can fix your Samsung TV YouTube having black screen. The process is pretty simple. You just need to try these things. First things first, restart your TV. Make sure to unplug your TV. Just cut the power off from your TV and wait for 30 seconds. Once it is done, just try put the power back in and then try turning it on. It should fix the error. However, if it does not, make sure you are getting a smooth and stable internet connection. Now, after making it sure, you can try restarting the router as well because sometimes there are some cache problems in the router, sometimes there are problems in the internet. Just try restarting the internet and it should fix the error. However, if that is not the case, what can be is you just have to, reset the YouTube app. For that, you just have to go to your settings. In the guest settings, you have to go to your storage. In storage, you have to go to apps. In the apps, you will be able to find YouTube. You just have to tap on YouTube storage and you will be able to clear the cache and data. After clearing the data and the cache, your YouTube will be refreshed. Just turn it on, it will work. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.